From the Andean perspective, unspun wool is like cosmic gas where life is born. And it's wonderful that the people have thought of this and used this material as sacred for thousands of years. I forage in the street as we walk by. I'm always on the lookout. I began doing that in the 60s when I was a teenager, and I never stopped. And I always find wonderful stuff. I call it lo precario, meaning that is precarious. This grass is a happy grass. It's grass as life created. I grew in the wilderness, so I cannot exist without even a meter of wildness. So this piece that I'm constructing here is all about extermination of life, and that's why it's red. Because most of these grasses have become extinct in the world. So everything that people have been doing for really millions of years, weaving little nets, weaving baskets, all the things that seem so archaic and quaint now, the people who have the knowledge of the meaning of weaving, the knowledge of the origin of life, are all being exterminated. So it's not just extermination of the species, it's also the species of thought, the species of perception, the species of understanding that are being exterminated. The red is the lifeline, the black is the mourning, and the white is death, but death not as extermination, but death as renewal and transformation. So it's up to us what kind of death we want to leave to the next generations. A death that brings new generations, or a death where everything is gone. And that decision has to be taken right now. Not next decade will be too late.